Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back for day 2 of Boston Blockchain Week. Please join me in welcoming to stage Manuel Rinaldi.
I ain't here for a long time. I'm here for a good time.
Hello everyone, thank you so much and welcome to Boston Blockchain Week Day 2. Here today I'm here to talk about our programs. We at QUBIC Labs, we thrive on innovation and everything we do is designed to build the greatest value for our ecosystem. And we offer a variety of programs, ranging from incubation program, with which we offer local support for our companies that are here in the greater Boston region, to R&D program, which was one of our most successful programs we had so far, with which we have invested $650,000 in 25 companies to help them moving from prototype stage to MVP, leveraging blockchain technology. And we have our flagship program, which is the Accelerator program, 12 weeks long program with which we give support in our companies who range into pre-seed to seed stage. They are always leveraging blockchain technology and Web3. And we had our first inaugural cohort which started in February with a final demo day on May 9 that we had at Fidelity in downtown Boston. It was a huge success. We had over 270 applicants from all over the world. 11 companies were selected and raised complexively more than $9 million all together. I'm thrilled to announce that we're going to have our round 2 of this cohort, which is going to start in mid-October. And right now, we are in the middle of the selection process. And I want to talk a little bit about how the program is structured. We try to cover all the most important aspects about the entrepreneurial journey for our founders, starting from the legal support, then tokenomics, tokenization, marketing, go-to-market strategy, product market fit, and with the second half of the program, which is focused more and more on fundraising. But we try, and this is a chain-agnostic program with which we give to our founders exposure to all the different protocols, all the different chains who are out there. But it's also a way to give our founders exposure to all the different ways in which they can go out there and fundraise. And in a certain way, we call it a super connector program with which our founders are exposed to C-level executives from some of the world's most important blockchain and Web3 institutions out there. So, and I'm talking about companies like Robinhood, Coinbase, Grant Thornton. The list is very, very long, so it's difficult for me to name them all. But these founders also benefit a lot from weekly check-in sessions between all of them to continue networking, exchange introductions, exchange knowledge. And the entrepreneurial life of a startup founder, it's pretty difficult. So that's really important for them to share what they're going through. And we have also weekly check-in sessions between them and the QUBIC Labs team to always figure out how we can support them in the best possible way. There are other activities like weekly and bi-weekly pitch contests with which they compete against each other, kind of in a similar way like we saw yesterday in the awesome pitch competition that we had. And that's to give them every single time real feedback from real investors, but also exposure. And we saw multiple times these pitch competitions becoming data room and conversation for investment opportunities with our network of angels and VCs who are pretty active in the blockchain space. And that's something that we are really, really excited about, and it's extremely important for our founders as well. And eventually, what we were able to observe, it was a night and day difference compared to when they started to when they graduated the program, which is, once again, 12 weeks long program. And the next one is going to start on October 15, and we're really thrilled for that. A special thank you goes to QUBIC Labs co-founders, Ian Kane, and John O'Keefe for making all of this possible. They had the foresight and sparkle to see the possibility into creating a thriving ecosystem here centered in Quincy, but which is going to benefit all the greater Boston region, all Massachusetts. So really, I truly think that they are the champions of the startup ecosystem here in greater Boston. And it has been a huge honor for me to work with them so far. So we're excited because so much more is yet to come. The best is yet to come. So I would like to give them a round of applause. And now, another huge thank you goes to all our sponsors. Without nothing of this would have been possible once again. So I'd like to thank the City of Quincy, Massachusetts Technology Collaborative, XDC Foundation, Fox Rock Properties, Figment, Wolf & Company, Coinbase, Goodwin, Silicon Valley Bank, Bentley University, Digital Innovation for America, Arlington Capital, A100X, Flipside Crypto, BDO, Dash, TerraHash, and our friends at the Boston DAO, DeSci Boston, and Boston Blockchain Association. Our media partners at Bitcoin.com, Crypto.news, Blockchain North, and our partners at Crypto Mondays and Gain Ventures.